This drawer contains all my makeup, but now I have actually mixed it with my skincare because I did some reels for Instagram. So now I'm going to take out all this and rearrange it, hopefully in a better manner. So currently how it is my makeup brush, please forgive me, it's totally dirty, but today I'm going to clean it up. And then my concealers are supposed to be here. And this is supposed to be my foundation part, but I don't know, there's so many other stuff here. And this is supposed to be my blush and highlighter section, but as you can see, it's completely messed. I don't even know what this was. And this is like some miscellaneous part. I have no idea. There's even a Panadol there. Okay, so let's get started. So I have emptied this drawer. I'm just going to wipe it clean. Okay guys, so these are all the things that are kept in the different organizers. Now I'm going to start with this one. This is supposed to be my foundation organizer. So I'm going to take out all these things and then just put the foundations back in. So these are all my foundations that I've arranged. So this is the Maybelline one, Dior Makeup Forever. I love this. This is like a cream foundation. This is NYX Total Control Pro Drop Foundation, like a serum. This is another one of my favorite, Born This Way Too Faced one. Now, I like the finish of this. It's a matte finish. I have dry skin, but it was kind of okay. But the problem is it was very, very light for me. This is in the shade of golden beige, but unfortunately, it's very light for me. So I don't know how I'm going to use that. This is K-Beauty's foundation. I have it in two shades. One was a bit lighter for me. I sometimes mix them to get my shade. This is the MAC one, Studio Fix Fluid Foundation. This is Nykaa's All Day Matte, Bobbi Brown. This is She Glam's brand. You don't get it in India, unfortunately. But if you have relatives abroad, you can definitely ask them to get this. This is really good for dry skin people. This is another Super Stay one. I have two of them. Sometimes I mix shades to get my shade. This is the Huda Beauty one, and I really hate this foundation. I never use this foundation now. It's such a waste of money. The formulation is so bad, it clings to your dry patches. It is so thick, it's so hard to spread. It doesn't blend well. Just don't invest money in this foundation. This is the K-Beauty one. I mix it, and I have another All Day Matte, which I mix these two shades to get my shades. And this is the PAC one. And this is one of my favorite after my Dior foundation. This is also from She Glam. It's hard to get that in India. But like I said, if you have any relatives abroad, definitely tell them to get this. Let me just show you how creamy it is. See how easily it blends out. And the coverage is so good. I mean, look at that coverage. Whatever marks was there right now is completely gone. The coverage is so good. And it blends so easy, and the final finish is so good. So these are all my foundations. I'm going to move this aside and take another organizer and organize my concealers and other base makeup products. Oh, I forgot about this foundation as well, to put it in that collection. Just going to put that in. Okay, so this is like an old watch box that I have. I'm just going to put the concealers I have in this. This is the Essence Camouflage Concealer, LA Girl, L'Oreal. I love this concealer. It has very good coverage. This is K-Beauty's Hydrating Concealer. This is a new Makeup Revolution Under Eye Concealer. This looks so much like the Charlotte Tilbury one. They also have exactly something like this with the same kind of packaging. This is the Maybelline Fit Me, another one of my favorite. Another favorite from Maybelline. This is also really good coverage. This is a contour stick from K-Beauty. This is NYX Color Correcting Palette. And this is my go-to concealer. I love this concealer. Look at it. It is so creamy and it gives so good coverage. So all the concealers and color correctors I've kept in this. Okay, so I thought I'll use this one to put my makeup base and probably eye makeup stuff. free when I bought some Fenty stuff. This is Fenty's free sample mascara. Love this one. This is a Swiss Beauty volumizing mascara. Love this for the lashes. This is a Max Stack one. Love this. Lakme Iconic. And my personal favorite, Essence Lash Princess. Next up is my eyebrow stuff. This is so underrated. I got this in a supermarket. It's the iTex Dazzler one. I love the pigmentation and staying power for this. I have two of those, like a backup. Okay, so this is the base and primer, lashes and eyebrow makeup products. I'm going to keep this aside. Okay, so next up I'm going to put my bronzers, blush and highlighters here. These are my Revolution palettes. This is a bronzer set. This is a blush set. So these are my blushes. These are my She Glam blushes. I love these blushes, so underrated. I'm going to put on my highlighters. Sugar's translucent powder. All my lip products I've put in this pouch. I think I'll do another video on all my lip products. For now, I just put everything in this and it's easy for me to access from this. I'm going to put these back in the drawer. These are all my nail polishes. I'm going to put them behind. Okay, so this is the final setup. Over here I have all my foundations. Over here I put all my eye mascara, eyeshadow, stuff like that here. And here my face primer, base makeup. Here are all my concealers. My makeup brushes, I need to clean them. Here I've put all my highlighters and blushes. Highlighters, blushes, my setting spray. Over here I have put all my lip products, lipstick, glosses, all that stuff. And over here my nail paints and stuff. So this is how it finally looks. This is my skincare drawer. Let me know in the comment section if you want to see me clean this. Meanwhile, subscribe to my channel and thanks for watching.